I don't know if you like it our way. Tofu and pork. It's different way. We fried the pork. We fried the tofu. Then after fried, we put soy sauce and onion. It's fresh onion. We don't cook. That is only. Really? You want? Gusto niya raw ng tokwat baboy. We call tokwat baboy. Wala ko, ayaw niya eh. Nalagyan ko pa tuloy ng bawang at sibuyas. Iprito ko na lang tuloy ito. Kasi gusto niya na ako. I do a video for my blog. Tokot baboy. At tapos chapsoy. Susunod ko, chapsoy. Tikman ko siya ng chapsoy ni Inday Kilay. But when you have a girlfriend, it's from Thai. You eat always spicy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Thai it's they love spicy. Do you like the Thai food?
Yeah, I
Like it? Spicy one. You like it?
like it.
Malaysian food, what is the Malaysian food? I never try it.
Curry, like coconut flavor.
Ah, the same like Indian also? Different.
Coconut.
Ah,
Coconut curry. Now Indian is only curry.
curry, right?
Malaysia is coconut milk. Coconut paste, coconut milk.
Okay.
Curry with cabbage and soya.
Ah, toya.
Yeah.
Ah,
Soya and 卷心菜。
toya酱吗？toya酱不是，
就soya。
ちょっとだtoya。
对啊，然后
You know toya here it's Just like we call taho. Yeah. You know taho? It's a soya also. Just like tofu. You know tofu, it's, they make bake, right? But taho, it's something like a little bit liquid. I think you have that in Chonggo. We have taho. I bought before when breakfast in the shop. They have like that. It's almost similar.
I'm not sure.
They put in something like small, like a cup papaho, or some like this like an up bowl, but it's a kind of papaho. Then in the inside it's soft toya. What you call that? It's just like a pudding toya. It's not egg. Another one.
I'm not sure. I've never eaten.